Okay, we are going to start with the rotary mechanical fuel injection pump. This is considered a low pressure pump. Rotary mechanical fuel injection pump. You remember that's the input of the fuel enter over there, and those are the outputs. The outputs per each cylinder. This is the handle for the RPMs. This is the bolt for idle. This is the bolt for idle. The head of that bolt is a drill head. You can pass the safety wire. You remember in our class of introduction to marine engineering, I explained the procedure to install the safety wire. Okay, that bolt is for idle, and you have the other one for wide open throttle. Okay, you can administrate both of them, idle and wide open throttle, with those bolts. And this is the handle for the RPMs. This is the groove. The groove normally is in front of this hole. The plunger have one groove in front and other one in the back to return the fuel. One in front and other one in the back. Right now I am going to show to you. Alright, correct. The piston move up and down, and other one in the back. I have another plunger, a big one, of a big fuel injection pump. In this one we are going to check easily where the fuel enter for input and in the back return. Okay, this is a big plunger. The plunger is basically one liner, the external cylinder, and one piston or plunger. Alright? Okay, this is the liner, and this is the plunger, and one hole here for input of fuel, and other hole in the back, 180 degrees in the back for return. Look at the groove. Ah, nice. It's like this. It's like this picture. This is the hole. This is the hole, and this is the groove on the plunger. With a big, it's like a big triangle with a big area in the base of the triangle and a short area on top of the triangle. You have one groove in front of the plunger for input of fuel, and in the back, 180 degrees in the back, other exactly the same for return. Other triangle for return. And you have in the cylinder, in the sleeve of the plunger, you have one hole for input. This is the input. This is the housing of the fuel injection pump. That's the feeding for input. The fuel enter over there. This is the housing. You remember that cavity on the housing, and this is the hole on the body of the plunger. And here is the plunger with the one triangle to receive the fuel and other triangle to return. Exactly, and this is the return. Okay. Look, and the capsules move like this. More and less, more and less. You like it? Okay, my friends. The governor internally have a mechanism. It's a simple mechanism, but that mechanism is lubricated with engine oil. My friends, in the mini block, everything is lubricated with fuel. Remember that the diesel have a lubricity abilities. Diesel is oil, right? The mini block is lubricated for the diesel, and the governor is lubricated with engine oil, motor oil. The oil used on the main engine enter here, and return in the bottom of the governor into the oil pan. Okay, this is very important. Oil enter here and oil return. Now we are going to disassemble. The housing of the governor.